pale red.
Okay, so I just finished taking a shower. I'm about to make some breakfast just because I'm starving. I can't remember the last time I had breakfast. Last time I had breakfast was like a week ago. Just because I'm not a breakfast person, I usually wake up in the morning, go to my lectures, and have my first meal of the day at 1 p.m, which is really bad, and I'm trying to depart from it and not keep doing that. But it's just a thing where I've done it repeatedly, so it's become like a part of my morning routine. But I'm trying to change that, so we're gonna go make ourselves some pancakes. I'm actually craving waffles instead, but I don't have a waffle maker, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to make waffles. Update. You know how I spoke about dance in the last video? We've got a competition this week. We've got our final rehearsals tomorrow, which is Thursday, and we were going to go Sheffield on the Saturday for dance. And I say it's pretty nerve-wracking, but at the same time I'm quite excited about it just because it's something new to do, and I feel like I've been quite bored this past few days. So having that to look forward to is quite nice. Also, I need to catch up on Love Island. Well, basically, today is, I can't remember the date. However, the Love Island finale was Monday. I'm literally behind 3 weeks of episodes. That's how bad it is, guys. Like, I see all the tweets on Twitter and stuff, and I'm just like, oh my god, I'm so out of the loop of things. Also, guys, if you have a suggestion for a book, let me know. I'm trying to get into reading again. Last time I read was in summer when I was trying to beat that girl, and I have not read since. So, guys, actually no, scratch that, that was in December, but I could not read a lot, so I need some book suggestions, some romance, some fiction, just like a little like something to keep me going, you know. I did see this one book, a friend of mine posted that on her story, and I'm like, oh, that kind of looks good. It's like a series type book. So I checked the price and it was actually quite cheap. It was like $12.99, but I don't know if I'm actually going to read it. I really need that like enthusiasm, that zeal to go in and be like, yeah, I want to read this now. Also, I'm going to start a dating series. I uploaded the first episode, which was the previous video. I'm going to link that in the description box down below so you guys can check that out. But we're starting a dating series. I just want you guys to get an insight into my dating life. That day was pretty good. I think we might be going on another day. However, I don't know, just I feel like I kind of self-sabotage sometimes in relationships, and I think I'm probably gonna self-sabotage this. I don't know, guys, it's just a thing that I do, and right now I'm kind of like, the date is really good, like there's nothing wrong with him or anything, but now I'm here like, do I really want to be in a relationship? Just like random stuff pop into my head all the time, and I'm just like, girl, like stop self-sabotaging. Everything is coming for you, and as usual, you're self-sabotaging and finding like the bad when you're meant to find the good in that situation. So I don't know, but guys, I have a problem. I legit have a problem. So I'm going to be uploading and keeping you guys up to date on the dating series channel. I've also created a playlist so it's easier for you to go from one video to the next, just because I feel like it's more convenient that way. Also, I am so proud of myself this morning. As you could previously tell, I went for a run for the first time ever, and I decided to, you know, vlog it. I know I can increase my stamina with continuous practice, so that's why I went for a run today. The last time I actually went to the gym was in August of last year. I don't know how the time... We're in February, guys. We're literally in February. Do you know how... I can't wrap my head around it, because it was only just lately that we're like, oh, New Year's, and we're already in February, and March is going to be like a week and a half. This doesn't make any sense at all to me. Why are the days going by so quickly? Jesus Christ. If you have something that needs to be done, you better do it quick, because the way the days are moving, you'd think someone is like sprinting or chasing the days to move ahead so fast. Can you not like slow down a little bit? I just feel like, oh my god, I can't cope. I legit can't cope anymore. But yeah, so I feel so proud of myself. We're going on a run today. We're trying to get that summer body before the summer comes out. And I feel so, I don't know, it just feels so good to go for a run or to exercise in the morning, guys. You lot should try it. It just calms you. I was feeling a bit stressed yesterday just because I had a bunch of coursework to do. And after I went for the run and I showered, I'm feeling so peaceful. My mind feels so calm. And I don't know, I just feel more energetic. Usually I wake up in the morning and I'll feel nauseous or tired or sleepy the whole day, but that's not the case today. I'm actually really awake, which is really nice. I know obviously exercising, as we all know, has its benefits, but damn, it's really working. I'm gonna go for more runs during the weeks now because I just feel like it just helps to start my day better. Like getting a good start to your day really does make a massive difference. So keep listening to people that keep telling you to, you know, prioritize your mornings, because prioritizing your mornings kind of set the tone for the day. It just enables the day to go by very smooth. And also I need to be going to the library just because I have a bunch of coursework that needs to be done and I don't really have enough time to do it. It's Wednesday that I'm recording this right now, but my coursework is due next Thursday, and you'll think, oh, you've probably got a week. However, on Thursday, which is tomorrow, I have a bunch of lectures and then I have dance practice, so I barely have any time in between to do that coursework. And then on Friday I could do a bit, so on Friday that's calm. On Saturday we're going to go for the competition, so I'm going to be out the whole day and we're going to come back pretty late. And then on Sunday I'll probably need to relax and rest a bit, but I might do like a bit of work on Sunday. Monday, what am I doing on Monday? Monday is still dance practice because this competition is lasting for 3 weeks exactly, so we still have dance practice on top of lectures, but I might get a bit of work done on Monday. Tuesday, I've got tutoring. I do tutoring, guys, if you did not know, and I've got a bunch of student booked on that day, but we're gonna see. And then Wednesday so basically I technically only have four days ish to get this coursework done, although I've got a week left, so I really need to be on my Zoom getting that work done. And also, guys, thank you. I know I keep saying thank you, but thank you so much for subscribing, guys. Keep watching my videos. Like, honestly, it's quite good. Like, obviously I like the way you guys engage with like the short content and stuff like that, but I need better engagement on my videos, okay? Because I'm looking into this for the long time, and in the long term I feel like videos are more a way to get personalized with you guys and kind of like know the ins and outs and, you know, build a community. Basically we're literally a family.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer